What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Dion with Quality Customer Designs, and yes, I am back with another video. In this video, we will be embroidering on a dad hat, and the image that we will be embroidering is the black girl with the green head wrap. I showed the digitized video of that picture, and if you want to see that, it will be right here, top right corner. Go ahead and click it, and you can see how I digitized the file. So that's what we'll be getting into today. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Also, I do have a new YouTube channel. So go ahead, if you can, please subscribe to that new channel. It is called Sounds of Tranquility. It's for basically if you have anxiety, you had a hard time sleeping, or just to have some type of peace of mind and sound for meditation. So if you want to go ahead and listen to those videos, I do have those, and everything will be down in the description below. So go ahead over to that new channel, subscribe to it, please, and thank you. Without further ado, let's jump ahead and get into the video. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is what we'll be embroidering. Let me give you a, well, I probably can't. Well, that's about as best I can do because it is flipped. So this will be getting embroidered onto the hat. First time stitching it out. Hopefully it comes out amazing, which probably will, of course. So let's go ahead now, close that, and just make sure everything is set up correctly. And I'm going to go ahead and start the machine. So definitely stay tuned. Okay, don't know what just happened, but there's not any thread right here, and it looked like it got stuck up here. So have to rethread that and back the stitches up some. So stay tuned. Coming out clean so far, looking good. If you're still here watching, can you do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. So these are all the small details. They're not going to take too long, but as far as like the eyebrows, maybe a couple of eyelashes I put in. All right, so everything is finished. Everything is done. It was another step, which was an outline, but I'm not going to add that on this hat. I'll do that on another hat. So I'm just going to keep this one plain and simple with the designs that I'm happy with right now, just for the inside part. So I'm going to keep that. Let's go ahead and take it off the hoop and show you guys the final result. Stay tuned. All right. Let me know what you think. Let me know how did it come out. Get a little close up on it. As you can see it. Not bad, not bad. Like I said, I left out the border for a great reason. Like I said, sometimes with all of the pull comp, the border sometimes doesn't want to line up. So hey, I left that out. I'll leave that for another hat. But other than that, the scarf, the head wrap, I mean, everything came out great. Looks good. Looks amazing. Perfect. Yeah. So that will be the video. And as always, it's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out. And don't forget, subscribe to the new channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you everybody for your support. And I'm out. Peace.